So here we go. First chance really I've had to get the bike out. It's a bit cold today, but it's not too bad, so we're going to give it a bit of a blast around the lanes. Just fitted a new battery this morning, brand new battery, so let's have a look at it, shall we? Paintwork is immaculate. It's had a new pipe on, Delkovic or Vic, whatever you call it. The paintwork, you can see the metal flake in the paint. The bike is truly as new, even though it's a 2006 model. It's got ABS, it's got a half fairing, it's got a 650 engine, which is okay. It revs quite a lot, not as quick as my R1 obviously, but it's a lot revier. Everything is beautiful on it, really beautiful, absolutely beautiful. It's even got the original tyres, which are not the best ones to have for tracking around the lanes, but they're okay. So we'll give it a blast now and see what it goes.